Fellow card makers, let me ask you a personal question. You create beautiful things every day, but do you yourself feel beautiful? When we create such beautiful things and add beautiful elements to our projects, don't we deserve to make ourselves pretty too? Our product development team is on a mission to make every card maker feel as beautiful as the beautiful cards we create in our craft rooms. Our new line of Artsy Aprons is full of fabulous designs to suit every crafter's style. Whatever your favourite colour is, we are sure to have an apron for you. Let's take a look at the 6 reasons you're going to love these aprons. Number 1, these are so versatile. Of course, we designed them for paper crafters, so you can keep all of your handy essential tools in your pockets while keeping the inky mess away from your clothes. But they are also great for cooking, painting, gardening, or even hosting a summer barbecue. Number 2, the pockets are so useful. They are super roomy, as you can see, and they can fit lots of different items in that you might need when crafting. Number 3, we all identify as crafters, and an apron that screams crafter is exactly what we need to promote our creative side. Number 4, the designs are gorgeous. Take a look at all the beautiful designs to choose from for yourself or a crafty friend. Number 5, they are adjustable. While each apron comes with a standard size, we know that not everyone is built exactly the same. You can adjust the part around your neck if you need to tighten it, or if you prefer a more loose fit. Number 6, the name. How can we resist wearing artsy aprons? After all, we're all about that artsy lifestyle. Which apron design do you love the most? Please let us know in the comment section below.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.